Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natoya and today I'm talking about the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So I am a huge fan of Jackie Aina. Huge. Jackie. If you know, you know. She came out with a palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It looks a little something like that. Has like the snake skin vibe, and I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for my nails before we start. I try to do them really quickly and the polish is like stripping, whatever. I'm not okay. Anyways, it's this beautiful palette, has like a nice little iridescent shift to it, and it has her logo, her butterfly logo, I guess. I picked it up from Sephora, and right away when I opened the package there was a little like disclaimer with it, and I thought it fell out. It wasn't really like, it wasn't like a huge thing. It's just this little piece of paper here. I don't know if this is customary for Anastasia Beverly Hills or not, but it says Supreme Pinker and Big Wig, warning, not intended for use around the immediate eye area. That so when you open it, it looks a little something like this, and these are the colors. And a lot of influencers have already swatched this palette, so you know, this is nothing new for some of you. Let's do some swatchies and see. So this is Soleil. I'm gonna swatch it right here. So that's Soleil. Wow, it's a really nice vibrant gold, and just below it this is a Zam. So this one right there is Zam. Also another gold, but okay. And then Supreme. Wigglies. I like Wigglies. It reminds me of a color I had it in another palette. Pinker. It's kind of like a matte. And Shookington. These names are funny. So these are the colors so far. Shookington. Big Wig. Gonna read Duolas. Also another nice shimmer. And Edges. Yes, I love Edges. I love Edges. Sponsored. Credit. I got good credit. I like Edges and Credit so far. Lituation. It's a lituation. And Ginger. So these are the shades, and I mean, they're cute. I'm going to try a couple of them on my lid and see how I like it, right? The pigmentation is beautiful. Like, the pigmentation is 100. Like, it looks nice. Why is there? Anyways, the pigmentation is beautiful, and I'm gonna try and create like a little eye look with this palette and see what we come up with. It also comes with a little brush, but I don't know about you guys, I never use these brushes, like, but I'll try it out. I have my Sephora brushes that I will be using, and I don't have a mirror, so I'll be looking at you guys while I put these makeup on my eyes. I'm gonna use a flat brush. I already primed my lids just with some concealer, so I'm going to go in with, I want to create like a desert sort of a look, you know. So maybe I'm gonna go in with so future Natoya here. I don't know what happened to some of the footage from this video, but it got cut off. So about the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I used it and it was great. I love the look I created. The pigments were super pigmented, and I find that you can create like a whole array of looks using this palette. You can do something really nice in daytime and everyday, or you can go ultra glam using some of the shadows like Duolas, you know. And yeah, so my final verdict on the palette is it's a must-have. I mean, it is $60 Canadian, which is like, that leaves me a little bit shookenton, because that's like, whoa, that's a lot of money. But it's a palette that you'll be using all the time. And like I said before, I wasn't immediately like, wow, these colors are amazing. But once you swatch them, it's just, they're so rich, they're so pigmented, they're so vibrant. And I've been wearing that palette ever since I got it. I'm not wearing any makeup today because I have a situation for later. But anyways, this palette is great. It is worth your $60 and you will use it. It won't be another one of those palettes that you have in your makeup drawer that you used one time and you never used it again. You will be using this palette. So go out and support my girl Jackie and get you this palette. Thank you so much for watching, and mwah.